Hi there. My name is Jesse Nokali. I'm a coach here at Shoreline Actors Academy, and today I'm going to teach you something about the scene study choice, Where Am I? So, in a script, sometimes you'll see a breakdown that says, int, police station, night. Now, int always refers to interior, so the inside of a building. Police station and night, probably pretty self-explanatory. However, other times you'll see scripts that say, ext, church, say, day. Now, ext always refers to exterior. Church and day, of course, self-explanatory. Now, this is important to note, especially when building a scene or when building an audition, because you're going to behave differently based on your environment. Is it hot? Is it cold? Are you comfortable there? Is it a church or a police station, which you will behave differently in compared to kicking your feet up and making yourself a sandwich at home? Keep this in mind and you'll help to create a more believable, more powerful performance, even if you have nothing around you. Take context clues from the script as to the style of furniture, if there's furniture, what's around you, to help you build a more powerful, memorable performance. Thank you very much for your time. If you're interested in taking classes with us, click on the link below or give us a call. Thank you very much.